Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. Today is a really hot late spring day, June 10th. And today I want to talk about our bonsai pot. When we started Bonsaiheirloom, my idea is to promote bonsai because it's a very good hobby from a mental state, health, meditation, and also a great way of teaching children value systems such as perseverance and responsibility. One of the biggest problems is to keeping bonsai hydrated. Basically, you have a very shallow pot. One hot afternoon, the root ball dries out, it shrinks, and when you water, water runs out the side. So what's the solution? Well, you put a soaking tub, like an aluminum baking tray, under your bonsai. And that really works well. If you do that, you will see your bonsai thriving, right? You water it, it evaporates in a day. You water it again when it's all dried out, in a sense of no more water in a soaking pot. You'll find it's a very effective way to keep your bonsai happy. Then it occurred to me it's a little bit unsightly for a bonsai display. Why don't I make the soaking pot inside the pot, a soaking tub inside the pot, by raising the hose so you can still tie your trees through these holes and the water will get to the top of the retaining wall. It looks like a lot of water, but it's really not because it's filled with soil. So the water will get absorbed in half an hour to an hour, which would be perfect to keep the root ball moist and will not rot the roots. And one of the important differentiation about our pots I want to point out to you is that they are really done right. These are Yixing clay pots with the so-called purple sand, which is really a clay. But more importantly, they are fired to a very high temperature so that the structural integrity is almost like steel. Of course, it's not as rigid as steel. But unlike terracotta, which is fired at low temperature and really poor clay, in a sense of, it's just not as durable. You bang it, you break it. But listen to this. It sounds like a bell. It shows the mechanical integrity of this pot. You can bang it not to the extremes of dropping it, but it will survive and it will not crack. So these are done right. I hope you consider a bonsai pot. Since I'm on the subject of watering, let me expand a little bit. Right now it's very hot. Again, a hot summer afternoon will dry out the pot. So the basic idea is soaking. And the second idea is to put it in a semi-sunny area, in a shaded area, so that it doesn't dry out very quickly. The third we talk about is soaking. And then the other approach is like you put it in full sun, the leaves can take the sun and it can grow much quicker. And then what you do is you put a shade cloth on top of the soil line, including in a soaking pot, to prevent the sun directly hitting the soil to dry it out quickly. So these are the methods. And of course, you can use a drip system, which I worry a little bit about clogging. But if you check clogging and battery, that's good. And the last one, I will revert myself a little bit by saying, akadama is a pretty good material because when you put water on it, it absorbs very quickly. I think it has a lot of characteristics I don't like, but I like that characteristic. And it's a little bit more expensive. But if you have a very expensive bonsai, use akadama by all means. And that will keep your water safe, especially you water once or twice a day during the hot summer days. Life is full of difficulties. We all encounter difficulties. And the secret of success is to figure out a way to overcome, and not only that, improve. And so this is an example. Root ball dries out quickly. You figure out a way to improve that so that you no longer have to worry about the root ball drying out. We respect tradition, but that doesn't prevent us from making improvements to make life easier, to be consistent with lifestyle bonsai. I thank you very much for watching. Please tell a friend about our website. Sign up to become our VIP, which is nothing more than getting our mailing list. for announcements of valuable information and sales and specials. And I thank you very much for watching. Click like, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you very much.